Hello, my name is Maria Victoria Hernandez Marquina. I'm a PhD student at the University of Grenoble in the GISCOP laboratory, and right now I'm finishing my mobility program with the EIT Manufacturing doctoral school. This mobility program is structured in two parts. One of them is part of an international mobility, and the other part is related with an intersectoral mobility. The first part of this mobility, I developed my work in DIGI2 in order to apply my knowledge in sustainable development in the program Reclaim. The second part was related with the company Sonai, in which I applied my knowledge in sustainable development and circular supply chain to develop the basis for a project related with waste of electrical and electronic equipment. This mobility program, in association with Sonai, allowed me to understand the real challenges of the industry. It also allowed me to integrate a case study in my thesis about the management of the waste related with electronic and electric equipment in Europe. I found in DIGI2 the opportunity to combine my knowledge of my PhD and apply all these tools in a more practical and multidisciplinary environment with the different colleagues and the different teams that belongs to DIGI2. A normal day in DIGI2 starts at 9 a.m. and we arrive with the different colleagues, other PhD students in different domains, to just develop our work and share our experiences and knowledges. Then we take our lunch together, some coffee breaks and some jokes sometimes, and then we share our results, we discuss about our objectives, and also we learn how to improve our PhD together. During this mobility of 5 months, DIGI2 gave me the opportunity to meet people with different backgrounds and different topics of PhD that allow me to learn a lot about manufacturing and innovation, and also give me the opportunity to understand different points of view that makes me a bit more critical, and also understand more the application of my knowledge in the industry and also in the manufacturing sector.